Hello, students. Let's tackle this algebra problem. The question gives us an equation, 4ab equals 24, and asks us to find the value of a related expression, the quantity 2ab squared. This is a classic SAT-style question that tests your ability to manipulate expressions rather than solving for each variable individually. Let's break it down together. All right, let's begin with step 1. The best place to start is always with the information the problem gives you. As you can see on the screen, we're given a single, clear equation, 4ab equals 24. This is our foundation. Our goal is to use this equation to figure out the value of the expression they're asking about. Now, let's move on to the key insight of this problem in step 2. We want to find the value of the quantity 2ab squared. Notice the term inside the parentheses is 2ab. Our given equation has 4ab. Can you see the connection? 4ab is exactly twice as large as 2ab. So to find the value of 2ab, we can simply take our original equation and divide both sides by 2. As shown, 4ab divided by 2 gives us 2ab, and 24 divided by 2 gives us 12. So we found that 2ab is equal to 12. That's the most important part of the puzzle solved. Great, we're almost done. Let's look at step 3. We are asked to find the value of, open parenthesis, 2ab, close parenthesis, squared. From the previous step, we know that 2ab is exactly equal to 12. So we can directly substitute the number 12 in for the term 2ab. As you see on the screen, our expression now becomes simply 12 squared. And now, for the final, simple calculation in step 4. We need to evaluate 12 squared. Remember, squaring a number just means multiplying it by itself. So 12 squared is 12 times 12, which gives us 144. So let's look at our final result. We've calculated the value to be 144. If we check our multiple choice options, we can see that 144 matches option C. We have successfully solved the problem by manipulating the given equation to find the value of the expression, without ever needing to know what A or B were individually. Excellent work!